Hey guys, welcome back. Here in this video, we are going to learn one more widgets of Flutter. It's called stack. If you want to achieve overlay kind of effect in your Dart application, like we have a card type of game where we have cards over and over and over of a particular card. So such kind of effect, if you want to generate, you can generate here by using stack. So how to use? Just create child here. We have a stack component here. Under the stack, we have a children, and one by one I just draw. First I say container, and in this container, suppose I set the color. So I say color of first is red. Okay, and I say child of this. No child I want to set now. I say width I want to set only 200, and height also I want to set to 200. I can set height to 400 like this. So I just Control S. You will see that in the center we have this card. Now after this card, suppose on this I want to display some text, some other container, some other information. So once again I just make a comma, and this container once again I copy and I paste here, and you will see that here container we have, I just change the color of this to green, and here I put child also. I say text is, I say card1 like this, and here I say style, text style, and here I say color dot white. Then I say font size is 22. Save this, and you will see that this card is over the first one, this one and this one, because size is same. But suppose if I reduce the size, I say 150 is the width like this. You see, so width is you are watching here from this side. So we have this, and suppose I say height is 50 like this. You see, it's increasing from this way, and I put this under the position tag. So I say here Alt enter, and I insert under the widgets, and I change the widgets to position like this, and here I set from the left I want 50, and from the top I want 50. Save this. You will see the effect now. You see, like this we have the effect, you see, this way. And suppose this is 150 and 400, and in place of this center, suppose I replace the container or center, this stack also I place under the container like this, and here I say the width of the container is 300 and height of the container is 400. Just for example, I do like that. Save this, and you will see such kind of thing. And here I want to, here I say from the left top we have, and I want to set from the bottom also to 50, and I want to set from the right also to 50. I'll try to check this. You see, getting or not? So it's looking just over this. Now if I decrease the size, this is 200, this is 150. If I increase the size to 180, and this is also 480 like this, and container size, or I want to set this to 25, this also to 25, this also to 25, this also to 25. Control S. You see, it looking like card, and this card height is 400, and I put this to 420, and this also this is 400, this is 300, so this I put to 240. You see, and increase little bit more. You see, you look like a card over a card. One more position I can also create. I can create one more component. I say copy, and here one more if I create, and here I say the color of this should be blue. Save this, and you see this is also here. But if I say spacing here is 50, spacing here is 50, here also I say 50. Now this is okay, 25. Press here like this, you see, or I can increase this also. I say 50, or I say 50, you see. And if I increase the size of this to now 300, you see. So if such kind of layout means you want to display one particular widget over another widget, then over another widget, card type of layout you want to design, so you can use this stack. Remember, this stack you can use for that stack. So sometime we required stack type of widgets also in our application. So remember that if you want to create such kind of effect where you want to display one particular widget over another widget, like we have a card type of game which we play lots. So such kind of games effect we can also create, such kind of layout we can also create by using stack. So that's all here in this video. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this.